Hello friends, let's crochet together a little plum like these little fruits and vegetables. For the plum I have gazelle baby cotton of such a beautiful color, and the size of my hook is 1.6. First of all, we make a magic ring and make 6 single crochets into it. 3, 4, 5 and 6. In the first stitch we make a slip stitch and a chain. Pull the thread. There is no hole in the center, and in the second round we make increase in the first stitch and 1 single crochet in the second stitch, and repeat. Increase, 1 single crochet, increase, 1 single crochet, make a slip stitch in the first stitch and a chain. In the next round we make 2 single crochets and then increase. One, 2, increase. 1, 2, increase. A slip stitch in the first stitch and a chain. And in the next round we make again 2 single crochets and increase. 1, 2, increase. 1, 2, increase. 1, 2, increase, and the last time 1, 2, increase. And in the end of this round we have 16 stitches in the round, a slip stitch and a chain. Then we make increase and then 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. Then we make increase. 1, 2, 3. Increase. 1, 2, 3. Increase. 1, 2, and we have 20 stitches in the round. And now we make several rounds without changes, 20 single crochets in each round. I've made 6 rounds without changes, and now we start to make decreases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. In the next round we make decrease 1, 2, 3. Decrease 1, 2, 3. Decrease 1, 2, 3. Decrease 1, 2, and 3. A slip stitch, a chain, and in the next round we make 2 single crochets and decrease. 1, 2, decrease. 1, 2, decrease. 1, 2, decrease. 1, 2, decrease, and we make a slip stitch and a chain. Now we can add fiber fill, and in the last round we make 6 decreases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. A slip stitch, a chain, leave the long end and cut the thread. And now we need a needle and close the hole. For the front sides of the loops of the last round. And pull the thread. And now we make the shape of our plum. And now we have to looking for the loops that left after our slip stitches. and take them with a needle like this. Pull the thread to make the shape of a plum. And we can repeat to fix the shape better. In the center here. It's not so simple to find it. In the center here. And through the loops that left from the slip stitches. Like this. And now we fix the thread and hide it inside the plum. Our plum is almost ready, but let's make one more detail. Yarn out begonia. We make the first loop and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chains, and then we make slip stitches. Like this. Then we make a chain, leave the long end, cut the thread, and sew this detail to the top of our plum. And now our little plum is ready. I will leave the links how to crochet another fruits and vegetables in the description to this video. Thank you for attention and have a nice day.